Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating app on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different profiles in order to match. Now, if you wish to edit your username or if you have made some mistake while setting up your account, then simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now from your profile page, just tap on the edit icon alongside your user ID and you will be taken into your profile edit page. From this page, scroll a little bit down and you will find your username. Just tap on your username and you will be allowed to edit your username. After making your desired change, you can simply tap on the next button and now your username will immediately be changed on your Hinge account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.